Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Anyways, now as you guys can already tell by this title, today's video is going to be another 1K giveaway. I'm not sure what I named these titles honestly, but it's gonna be another giveaway. Now, as you guys can see, we made it to 8K. I almost said 10K, so hold on. We just made it to 8K. I think we're a little bit over 8K now. But like I said, the giveaways are almost close to end, because after 10K I am gonna stop doing giveaways. So I might not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we're at 8K and we're gonna be doing another giveaway. Now, I do have a poll that's going on my community tab, and I basically asked you guys, would you guys like either the lip gloss base, or would you guys would like the lip gloss making products instead of the base. Now go ahead and go to the community tab so you guys can vote, what you would like to win. And basically the lip gloss making products will literally be like the pipettes, it'll be pipettes, the syringe, the, what are those things called, the tubes, what else would you need, like things like that. That's what the lip gloss products would consist of, and it'll literally consist of all the things you need to, you know, do the lip gloss minus the base. And or would you guys just like to win the base? Now hurry up and, you know, vote that over there, because I am going to, after, you know, you guys decided which one you guys would like to win, I am gonna, if it is the lip gloss base, I'm literally gonna order it from the site and, you know, ship it directly to the winner. So make sure you guys go vote over there so you guys could vote what you like. I felt like I was just being so repetitive, but like I said, you guys already know how these go. I made plenty of these videos already. I think I already made like four of these videos. They're very short. It's literally what it is. It's a giveaway, and you guys already know the rules. One, you gotta make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Why would you enter a giveaway that you're not subscribed to, which would make no sense? So make sure you guys are subscribed. Second, you have to follow my business page as well as my personal page. And fourth, you just gotta come back to this video and press done. That's literally it. That's all it is to the giveaway. Now, I know that we have a lot of new, you know, a lot of new subscribers, because clearly we just made it to 8K. So make sure you guys are very interactive with like videos that I post and stuff like that, because like I said in the last giveaway, the more that I see you in my comments, the more that I'm gonna remember, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I remember you, so you're gonna win the giveaways, because clearly I want to give the giveaway. I want to give the winner that I want to choose is gonna be someone that, you know, actually supports me and, you know, are actually interactive with like my videos and just like my community tabs, and they follow me and all that extra stuff. So just make sure that, you know, you guys are interactive with the videos that I post, so I can remember you. And even if you don't win this giveaway, you never know. If you're interactive now, like, I'll probably remember you for the next giveaway. So make sure you guys are commenting and stuff. But I'm gonna put all the, you know, the things that, the rules and stuff like that in the description bar down below. Like, can you talk, Luigi? You're all over the place. I think I'm too excited. But I'm gonna link that all down below. Like I said, you guys already know the drill, and a lot of you guys already, you know, did most of those things. So I mean, you can just come back to this video and press done. And I am gonna check, because I know some of y'all be lying. Like, I think last time I was ready to pick a winner, and I'm like, all right, bet, like, this is the winner that I'm gonna pick. And I went to my Instagram and looked for her name and stuff like that, and sis wasn't even following me. I'm like, sis, literally all you have to do is 3 things. Now, you could have been a winner if you would have just, you know, followed me on Instagram. That's literally it. But she didn't do that. So like I said, I do be checking when I do pick the winner. So make sure you guys are go over to my Instagram. Make sure you guys are following it, as well as make sure you're subscribed to this channel. But you guys, we're literally almost to 10K, which is so crazy to me, because I know I keep saying this, but every time we get another like 1,000, I be like geek, because I'm like, that's crazy. That's another like 1,000 person like, y'all, English is not my first language, but that's another 1,000 people that, you know, discovered my channel and actually, you know, chose to, you know, really mess with me and stuff like that, which is mad crazy. When I have 10K, y'all, I might do a photo shoot. But I know the giveaway is gonna be mad, you know, crazy and stuff like that. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but 10K is a lot to me. So I'm probably gonna do a cute little picture and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are subscribed so we can get to 10K. We're literally almost there. Like, I can smell it. I thought I was gonna get it by December, but I just might get it a little bit earlier. But enough rambling. Like I said, everything will be in the description bar down below. Make sure you guys are interactive in all my social medias, as well as YouTube, so I can remember you guys. But I think that's it. But make sure you guys go to my community tab. Like I said, go to the community tab. Make sure that you guys vote for which type of, you know, what would you guys like to win if you are the winner, clearly. So make sure you guys go to that poll and, you know, vote. And yeah, and like I said, we all know that when the giveaway is done, I normally make it until the Friday, but since today's already Wednesday, I want to give you guys a little time to, you know, for some people to actually join. So the giveaway is probably going to be done either next Wednesday or on Monday. I'm going to put it down in the description bar down below when it's going to be finished. But I'm sorry, all you have to do is come back to this video, press done, and of course the winner is going to be pinned in my comments. I know a lot of you guys be confused and be looking for the, you know, winner and stuff like that. It'll literally be in the top of the comments. When I choose it, I write down the person's name and I pin in the comments, and I comment down in those in the person's comments, so they can make sure they see it, so they can contact me. Because you literally only have, I think, 24 to 48 hours to contact me. If you don't contact me by then, I'm gonna choose another winner. So make sure you guys come back to this video when the giveaway time is finished, so you guys can know who actually win, and if it's you, to make sure that you contact me before the 24 hours is over, so you guys don't miss out on you being the winner. But that's all for this video. Thank you you guys for, you know, subscribing to me and stuff like that. I am gonna be posting more like fun videos and stuff like that. Not even fun, but like different types of content on here. I'm still gonna be doing, like, you know, the business tips and the sit down videos and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm gonna venture off and do, like, you know, different things, because I don't want my channel to just be known for one thing. So I'm gonna venture out into different things, so you guys be patient with me. And yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. You better be subscribed if you're entering and watching this video. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.